What's up everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. In this video, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox for you guys two cheap USB mics from Walmart. Are they any good? Let's find out. Now both of these mics came under $30. The first one here is the On USB podcast microphone. This one here was about 25 bucks. And USB microphone Go Mic. This one here came just under 30 bucks. So let's go ahead, unbox them, see what they come with, and we'll go ahead and do a few sound tests. Alright, so the first microphone that's under 30 bucks is this On USB podcast microphone. This microphone here is a cardioid mic, so it records whatever that is directly in front of it. Any sounds from the side or from the back, it tries to block it out, so it wouldn't sound that well from the sides or the back. It's compatible with both PC and Mac, so it's plug and play. Just gotta plug it in and you can use it right away. It also includes a LED power indicator, and it's threaded on the bottom, so you can put it on a mic stand, as you can see here in this picture. The next mic is Samson USB microphone Go Mic. Features both unidirectional and omnidirectional, so you could set it to unidirectional, where it records only whatever's in the front of it, and the omnidirectional could record 360 sound all around it. So for example, if you're at a meeting and you need to record it, just set this right in the middle of the table and everyone could speak. It'll pick up everyone's sound. It'll pick up everything basically. This mic here is called the Go Mic because it's portable. It has a clip on it here, as you can see, where it could clip on to the top of your laptop screen. It also comes included with a recording software. So the first one I'll be unboxing is the On mic. Got your product guide. Your USB cord. Uses micro USB. And your mic already comes on the stand. So it's threaded, you could take this off. And you could put on another stand if you like. This thing is made completely out of plastic. Every single part of it is plastic, but it doesn't feel too flimsy. It actually has a lot of weight to it. Here, there's a mute and unmute button, and the button doesn't feel flimsy at all. It's actually pretty tough to press, you know. No drivers needed. This mic is the Samsung USB microphone Go Mic. So it's a package inside of a package. Alright, right off the bat, as you can see, it's a tiny portable microphone. Build quality so far feels great. All metal. From the clip to the microphone. It's pretty heavy for its size. Flips right out. So you can either set it like this on your desk, or you can go ahead and clip it on your laptop screen with this clip here. But for my usage, it'll be right in front of me on the desk like this. Let's see what else comes in the box. Comes with a carrying pouch, emphasizing the portability of it. And you got your USB cable. And they tell you get free software, but as you can see, it's the light version, so you probably won't get all the features. Online product registration card, just to register for your warranty. Now, as you can see, it has a 3.5mm port here, so you could go ahead, plug in your headphones, and you could listen directly what you're recording. It has an LED light here to let you know when you're recording, when it's on. It also turns red if it hears any plosives like a hard P or a hard T or whatever. You'll see here it light up red. You got your charging port here, your USB port, and on this side you can see the switch to switch between the different patterns. Now to compare it with the on mic, as you can see there's a huge size difference. So the on mic here is not really meant for portability, but still small enough to throw in your bag or whatever. This one here is meant for full portability. And so whenever you're done using it, just go ahead, fold it up, and just hide it away. And the build quality of the Samson mic is way better than the on. So that's enough talking about these two mics. Let's go ahead, plug them in, and see how they sound. So for this first test, I'm using the on USB podcast microphone. The microphone is set about almost 2 feet away from me. So this is what it sounds like, almost like a gaming headset, maybe a little better quality. So for really under 30 bucks, you really can't complain that much about it, but we'll see when we try out the Samson mic, see which one is better. So this mic here features a cardioid pickup pattern, which picks up everything in front of it, but tries to block out whatever is around it. For this test here, I'm using the Samson USB Go Mic. As you could tell right away, the quality of it blows the other mic out of the water. The mic is also about 2 feet away from me. It's much smaller than the on USB mic, but the quality of it is completely better. I mean, the build quality, the sound quality, and for under 30 bucks, I'm just outstanded by this quality. You really can't go wrong with this mic here for gaming, for streaming, podcasts, recording music, whatever you want to do. So this USB mic features three pickup patterns actually. A cardioid with 10 decibel, and omnidirectional. So with omnidirectional, it could record everything that is around it. So for example, if you're at a meeting, and with the cardioid, it just records whatever is in front of it. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments down below, which microphone is better. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing and testing of the Samson USB Go Mic and the On Podcast USB microphone. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to comment, don't forget to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more future unboxing videos. Thanks for watching.